This video is sponsored by Airalo. Traveling and staying connected can be a challenge, especially when it comes to finding a local SIM card for your phone. But what if I told you there's a solution that eliminates the hassle of switching between multiple SIM cards? Airalo is the world's first eSIM store. With Airalo, activating a cellular plan is as easy as a few taps on your phone, which is great for not messing with physical SIM cards, but also devices like the iPhone 14 and 14 Pro, which in the US no longer include a physical SIM card tray. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Airalo, but first you may be asking, what is an eSIM? An eSIM is a digital SIM that you can use to activate a cellular plan without having to physically insert a SIM card into your phone. This means that you can switch between plans and carriers without having to take out and put in different tiny SIM cards. All you need to do is download the new plan to your eSIM and you're ready to go. So instead of carrying around a physical SIM card and an annoying SIM card tool for each plan or carrier that you use, you can have all of them stored digitally in your device. Now, in the case of the iPhone 14 and 14 Pro devices, which again don't have a physical SIM card slot, they can store at least 8 different eSIMs that you can swap between on the fly. And without a physical slot, the ability to find and buy eSIMs easily is essential, which is where Airalo comes in. Airalo offers 3 types of eSIMs that you can choose from. There's local, regional, and global. So let's break down each option so you can choose the best one for your needs. Local eSIMs give you coverage in one country. This is perfect for those who are only visiting one single country on their trip. Regional eSIMs, on the other hand, offer coverage from multiple countries in a single region. So for example, the Eurolink regional eSIM covers many countries in Europe, while the Island Hopper regional eSIM covers countries in the Caribbean islands. If you're planning a multi-country trip within the same region, this is the eSIM for you. And finally, there's the global eSIM, which covers many countries from different regions and comes with data ranging from 1 to 20 gigabytes and 7 to 180 days of validity. If you're planning a multi-country trip in multiple regions, consider getting the Airalo Global eSIM. Users can purchase eSIMs through the Airalo app or through the website, which allows you to connect it to your phone with a QR code. The Airalo app will walk you through the installation and activation process step by step, so you can start using your data plan from the moment you arrive in your destination. So whether you're planning a trip to one country or several, Airalo's got you covered with a range of eSIM options to choose from. Airalo eSIMs connect to the top cellular networks around the world, ensuring that you have reliable and fast data coverage wherever you go. To see which networks are available in the country you're visiting, simply check the local eSIMs section in the Airalo app or website. The networks for each country will be listed under additional information. The key advantage of connecting to local networks with Airalo eSIMs is that you'll pay significantly less for your cellular data compared to paying high international roaming fees from your home country's roaming plan. So whether you're traveling for work or leisure, Airalo eSIMs make it easy and affordable to stay connected. And when it comes to running out of data, many Airalo eSIMs offer the ability to top up your data if you need more. The benefit of topping up is that you can keep using the same eSIM even if it runs out of data without needing to replace it with a new one. So whether you need more data for your travels or just need to stay connected for a little longer, Airalo makes it easy to keep your eSIM up and running. Airalo gives you access to data packs in over 200 countries and regions. You also get to keep your original number to receive calls, messages, or one-time passwords if needed. In addition, if you need to make calls or send texts, you can still use services like iMessage, FaceTime, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger with the data connection from your Airalo eSIM. Before you purchase an eSIM, be sure to check the plan details under additional information. There you'll see if the plan supports voice calls and texting, or if it's just a data plan. Also, if you use and like the service, Airalo even has a referral program that gives users a way to earn in-app currency called Airmoney. You can earn Airmoney by using Airalo services, such as purchasing or topping up your eSIMs, or by referring friends. If you have Airmoney in your account, you can use it as full or partial payment or combine it with another payment method. It's worth noting that Airmoney never expires, so you can use it at any time. Having reliable internet access while traveling is essential in this day and age, and Airalo makes it easy to stay connected. The plans are affordable, the data is fast and reliable, and the setup is very straightforward. Airalo is a convenient and reliable way to access data while abroad. I've used it in 2 countries so far, and I look forward to using it again on future travels. If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to stay connected while traveling, give Airalo a try. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play using the link in the description below and experience the convenience of Airalo for yourself. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.